Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry, and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.
Now, this is the table we are to import into Microsoft Word. As you can see, the table has its chart. So what to do is we have to click on the table. We have to select the table. So just select the table and press Ctrl C. Okay. Then we go to our Microsoft Word. We go to our worksheet. Okay. Now you just paste. Now when we go back to the paste tab, we have various types of paste. This one says keep source formatting, okay, which retains the object I copied with its format. The next one, use destination style, is when we paste our table, okay, it tries to reformat the table to the accustomed styles of the Microsoft Word we are using. What do I mean? When I import it, instead of it carrying the Excel style, it's going to carry the Microsoft style. This one is the linking with source formatting. What this one does is that it does the same thing as the first one. The only difference is that it creates a link with the Excel. So when I paste my table when I copy my table from the Excel and I paste it in my Microsoft Word, it creates a link and the table retains the formatting of initial formatting as it was when it was in the Excel. The next one is link and use destination style. It is once I copy my table, it reformats my table to the accustomed style of my Microsoft Word and also create a link. So once I'm pasting the table, okay, it will reformat my table to the accustomed style of the Microsoft Word and also create a link. Next one is paste. This one is used to paste picture, okay, and paste text only. So we'll go with link and keep source formatting. You notice how it is not rhyming with our document. So to correct this, just click on it, okay, you go to design tab, okay, you go back to layer tab, okay, and go to auto fit. This time we'll just fit to Windows. Once we click this, it will now reformat the table we are copying to fit the window we are working with. So let's also go back and also copy our chart, okay, and apply the same. So we'll go back to our Excel. Okay, this time we'll click on the chart, we click Ctrl C. Now we go back to our worksheet. Okay, this time we'll just click Ctrl V to paste, or we'll just go to our paste option and also stick with this. Okay, keep source formatting, just paste it. So notice how my data has been pasted. Over here, I could also play with it. I could choose whatever formatting I want. I can also change its position. I can apply whatever changes I so fit to add to it. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to make some changes, okay, from our Excel sheet. And we're going to update to see if it's going to reflect on our Microsoft Word since we paste using link. So I'll just go to my Excel and I'll make some few changes. Just click on my Excel. Okay, so over here that I have 526, I will make it 780. Over here that I have undergraduate as 300 and something, 389, I will make it 297. Over here I have 245, I'll make it 557. I've made some changes here, but yet it has not reflected on our Microsoft Word. So for me to reflect this, I'll click on my table icon, I'll right click, and I'll see this option say update link. Okay, so we also have the link object. So we can convert it to a link or we can link it to, or we could trace the link source. So if you click over here, you can see that it's coming from an Excel sheet. It's showing us the location of the documents we are being linking it to. So we can click update now to update our table, or we can just go back and right click again, okay, and click update link. Okay, so having done that, notice my table has now updated its content with that of the Excel. So then after we have updated our table, because this table is linked to a chart, our chart too is also updated. Also, to break the link, okay, breaking the link means is breaking the connection between the table in my Excel, in the Excel and the Microsoft Word. Now, when I break the link, any changes I make on this table remains constant to this table. It does not reflect or have any connection with the other one. So once for me to break the link, just click over here, right click, go over to link object. Okay, so you click on the links. You can see over here you can update. Here you can open the source of the link. You can change the source maybe to another source. You can click here to break the link. So once I click, so just click OK. And what happens is my link has been broken, and as it has been broken, I will no longer I no longer I wouldn't have the option of updating it again. So I can now manually make any changes I so please. This is how you can insert a chart and a table from your Excel and this. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your time and participation. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. And watch out for the next episode. Thank you and have a lovely day.